Hey everyone, how's it going? So if any of you play Clash of Clans, I'm sure you heard about the new update with the hero pets coming out. So I thought it would be fun to show you guys how to draw some of these hero pets. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to draw Mighty Yak. So I hope you guys follow along and enjoy this video today. Now, to start off with the Mighty Yak from the new Clash of Clan pets, we're going to begin with the nose. Now, to start off with this, we're going to begin right here, and we want to make a little line that's going to go over, and it's going to go down and up, kind of like a V shape. Starting here, we're going to make a little line that comes down, and a little line that's going to curve here, and one that's going to curve here. Next, we'll make a little line that goes down and up, and another one that's going to go down and up. And another one's going to go down and up. And another one's going to go down and up. Starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to go up. It's going to come over and then down. Now, starting right here, we're going to add the horn. So to make the horn, we want to draw a line that's going to go out. It's going to come down, and then it's going to come up to here. We're going to make a little line that's going to come back here. And another line that's going to come up to here. Now over here, we're going to put the other horn. So we're going to go out, and we're going to come down. It's going to come around and up. Now this one's going to come down and up just a little bit, and we're going to put a little line right here. Starting here, we're going to make a little line down. I'm going to draw a little line that goes down and then up, and same thing over here, down and up. Next, I'm going to go down and then up to here. And this one I'm going to go down and then up. Then we're going to go down and up a little bit higher. Starting here, we're going to make a line that's going to go down and up with a point. We're going to put another one here, one more here, and then we're just going to add a few more and bring it up to about there. Now we want to draw the body, so we're going to start right here. We're going to make a line that's going to come up. It's going to go over and out just a little bit. Next, we're going to put a few little zigzag shapes around here. We'll make one that goes down and up. One more here. And one more that's going to go down and then up here by the face. Right about here, we're going to make a line that's going to come down. Put a couple little zigzag lines. And bring it up. Next, we're going to make a line that goes out and then up. Now right here, we're going to make a line that's going to go down, and then a couple zigzag lines right to here. We'll make a little line that's going to come out with a couple zigzag lines that comes up. We're going to make a little line that's going to go down, it's going to curve over and come right up. Another one here that goes down, over, and then up. Starting here, we're going to make a line that's going to come down. Make a couple little zigzag lines. And we're going to bring this right up to here. Little line that goes down, over, and up for that little hoof. Right here we want to make the tail, so we're going to draw a line that's going to go up, add a couple little zigzag lines, and then bring it right back here. Now the last step is we just want to add the little lines onto the horns here. So I'm going to start by making a little line that's going to come down here, and a little line that's going to come down here. I'm going to make a line that's going to go over and up, and we're just going to continue this line around here. Then when we get to here, we're going to curve it down, and we're going to make some lines that are just going to go right up to here. Same thing here, we're going to go up and over. And we're just going to bring these right around to the top. And there you go. There is your drawing of Mighty Yak from Clash of Clans. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.